Hey everyone, for this month's commercial drop, I brought you something different. We're gonna look into how to utilize real strings in your pop production, how to blend it with MIDI strings, as well as how to go through the recording process with real string players. We'll talk about mic positions, we'll talk about the takes we need to achieve the depth, the variation, and the quality that we need for pop production when we work with real strings. You will also see in the session file how the strings are panned and leveled and processed. This song was also used as the theme song of his OST, so you can also get an idea of how a theme song for a TV show or a film is made. Enjoy. Stay tuned.